You've heard of crypto. You've heard of stocks. But did you know some of the smartest minds in tech, like Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak, are quietly hedging their fortunes with something ancient? I'm talking about precious metals. And no, it's not just for doomsday preppers. Today we're breaking down why the richest tech billionaires are buying gold and silver, and why that matters for your financial future. Let's start with Elon Musk. In 2008, Tesla was running out of cash. Musk had to pull every financial lever he could, and part of that meant holding hard assets. Fast forward to today, while he tweets about crypto, SpaceX, and Tesla quietly purchase rare metals for tech production and hold reserves in gold. And he's not alone. Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, has openly said he believes in silver as a long-term store of value, especially with how integral it is to tech manufacturing. These aren't conspiracy theories. These are strategic moves from people who've seen markets collapse and want something real. Let's break it down. Tech is volatile. Crypto is even more unpredictable. Stocks can plummet overnight. But gold has held value for 5,000 years. And silver? It's not just an investment. It's used in every smartphone, every solar panel, every EV. It's literally in demand and limited. When inflation rises, when markets fall, and when the dollar weakens, central banks buy gold. That's not by accident, that's defense. In 2024 alone, central banks bought over 1,000 tons of gold. Why? Because countries like China, Russia, and even India are preparing for a shift in global currency dynamics. They know something we often forget. Gold isn't just shiny, it's power. It's independence from the dollar. It's survival when the financial system gets shaky. So what does this mean for you? You don't need to buy a gold vault or meltdown jewelry. Today you can start with as little as $10 using apps that let you invest in fractional gold or silver. The key is this: diversify. Don't just ride the hype train of the month. Think like the billionaires. Protect your wealth. Plan for the long game. If gold is good enough for Musk and silver is Woz approved, maybe it's time you considered metals in your portfolio too. What's your take? Are precious metals still relevant, or are digital assets the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more eye-opening takes on money, tech, and investing.